how to fast correctly. How can you come to Ramadan and not understand how to fast correctly? The main pillar in Ramadan is to fast. Therefore, it only makes sense that you learn how to fast correctly. And Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he says, whoever doesn't give up alongside food, drink and sexual relations, 3 more other things they are: qawl az-zur, false speech, even swearing and telling lies and backbiting and gossip and all foul language that comes from the mouth. Add this to food, drink and sexual relations. Add it. That's one thing. And Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam says, whoever doesn't leave these things, so you need to fast from these things. Qawl az-zur. Az-zur is a comprehensive term that refers to anything that is falsehood. وَالْعَمَلَ بِهِ, and evil deeds. Evil deeds. So that means the fasting of the eye. That's a deed. When you look at something haram, the eyes must fast with you. The hand, when it does something haram, it should fast with you as well. And your hands and your feet and everything. Give it all up. At-taqwa is supposed to be flowing in your entire body and your veins. Everything is supposed to keep away from al-haram. That's the second thing. Limbs supposed to fast. Wal-jahl, you also are supposed to refrain from jahl. What's jahl? Jahl is 2 things. Number 1, jahl is ignorance. What is ignorance? Ignorance is when you know something and you do not implement it. And when I know as-salat is obligatory and I don't pray, that's ignorance. You knew there's salat and you didn't pray. When I know the fire burns and I put my hand in there, I'm ignorant. You had knowledge. Why didn't you act upon your knowledge? Then there's a problem there. So you need to keep away from jahl. And the other meaning to jahl is the foolish, arrogant character and behavior. The bad attitude, the bad character, that's jahl as well. So if someone wants to argue with you during Ramadan or swear at you and insult you, don't raise your voice. Don't fight with anyone. Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, La yaskhab. Don't fight with anyone. Don't raise your voice at anyone. That's wala yaskhab. Rather, the Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam told us what to do. If someone is going to insult and angry and raise his voice at you and so on, say to them, Inni sa'im, 2 times, and walk away. I'm fasting. Yani, what does it mean? In context, it means, I'm fasting. And I cannot raise my voice on you and swear back at you and insult you, because that's another type of fasting I'm supposed to do alongside food, drink and sexual relations. فَإِنِّي صَائِمٍ. And keep your fasting protected. Purify your fasting. Keep it intact and move away. Now, if a person does this, now he has fasted correctly. Don't forget this meaning. This is just as important as leaving food, drink and sexual relations. Remember, at the end of the day, the purpose of Ramadan is not to starve you and to deprive you from sexual relations. The purpose of Ramadan was to know taqwa. What taqwa is what will protect this and protect your limbs from al-haram and protect you from ignorance and bad character. That's what taqwa would do, and that's the purpose.